As you can see, we're still strapped. So we got the negatives on that amp hooked up to the negative on this amp, and this is our positive wire, and this is our negative wire. So strapped 2 amps to make one bigger amp. Alright, well, we got this still on the bench. We're going to drop it down a little bit. 1.33 strapped, which means 0.67. While these things are still on the bench, we're going to test them one more time at 1.33 ohms. The last test was at 2 ohms strapped, which is basically the same thing as 1 ohm each. So 1.33 is going to drop it down to 0.67-ish or something like that, which shouldn't be too bad on them, because like a lot of people, I like to run my woofers at 0.7 each, dual 0.7 voice coils. So this is kind of a relevant test. I'd like to see if it could actually handle it. And if they smoke, they smoke. Nothing I can really do about it, but we're going to try and see what happens. So you can see they're still flipped over from before I put these clear covers on them. So if something happens, we're going to see it. Hopefully they won't. So let's see. $6,000 certified. $1,000 watts. One more. Holy crap. See, all's well. No smoke, no protection lights, nothing. So even though they don't recommend it in the book, it's 1 ohm stable amp. I'm pretty sure you're probably going to be okay if you run dual 0.7 voice coils, which I've done forever. Don't take it from me, because that's up to them whether or not they're going to allow that. But this is a torture test. This is not on a speaker. This is on a load bank. So it's even worse than a speaker. Your speaker is definitely not going to torture the amp the same way that that load bank does on the 81. Those are good numbers, and I'm taking these off the bench. I'm putting them in the Ford F250 soon, so watch out for that. And well, I'm out of here. Later.